Welcome to the new episode of Printervention. This is a video series that we're doing at InkJet Inc. that is really about helping the packaging industry and making sure their marking and coding needs are met and being of service to them, which we find is a gap sometimes in the industry. So this is Jim. Jim is a South Texas and Southern U.S. representative, and we're just going to talk about a recent install and sale with one of our technologies. So Jim, recently you were able to help a customer out locally.
Yes, sir. We installed
DuraCode.
4 DuraCode machines
4 of them. Okay, good.
at a place here in South Central Texas.
Awesome.
They manufacture spice and typically in bottle applications. So
Okay.
they're putting the spice in plastic bottles, glass bottles, and
Okay.
then selling it through retail establishments.
Okay.
And 2 of the machines running yellow ink on amber bottles,
Oh, that's different.
and 2 of them black ink on clear bottles.
Okay.
And using our polycoating black ink. So adhesion is phenomenal, print quality is phenomenal.
Yeah.
Machines are doing real good.
That's awesome. Did we do any testing for them ahead of time?
Mhm.
We
Yes,
did. And was it a situation where we brought it in-house?
So they had some aging competitors' machines.
Okay.
And
Not an uncommon story.
needed to replace them, and they were already buying their ink and makeup from us.
Okay, good.
So we had an in with the customer. We've been providing them quality service for a long, long time, and
Oh,
so they
nice.
trusted us with the new machines.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Excellent. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Absolutely.